Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Xianyu or Idlefish app. And in today's video, I'll show you how to download or save product video from Xianyu app into your phone gallery. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Xianyu. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Xianyu app. After you open up your Xianyu shopping app, next thing you need to do is to look for a particular product video that you want to download. However, not every seller here usually upload product video. But if you find out any one of them that you want to download their product video, this is exactly how you go about it. I have a particular store I want to use as an example. So I will go ahead and open up my chat right here. So I have communicated with the store and I want to get their product video, and I decided to make it as a video so everyone can learn from this particular trick. Okay, so like this particular seller right here, I want to get the product video. So I have already chat up with this particular seller and I want to get the product video before I place the order for this particular product. Now for you to download the product video, go ahead and click on the product link. I'm going to click on the product link right here. So when you click on the product link, so you can see the video right here. Then one thing here is that there is no way for us to download. There is no download button right here. So how do you download? First thing first, you need to make sure you copy the video link or the product link. And for you to do that, go ahead and click on this icon right here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to copy the link. Now the link has been copied. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and exit from your Xianyu app. Then you want to go ahead now and paste the link somewhere. You can paste the link on your WhatsApp or on Facebook. So in this tutorial, I'm going to paste the link on my WhatsApp. So I will go ahead and open up my WhatsApp right here. Then I'll make sure I paste my link right here. Then I'll go ahead and send. Once you paste the link, the next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and make sure you click on the link again. I'm going to go ahead now and open up the link again. Now, when you open up the link again, it will redirect you to web version of Xianyu app. So just allow the link to load up. Now you are here on the web version. So what you need to do right here is to simply go ahead and click on the play button. Now, while the video is played, next thing you need to do is to click on the three dots. So while the video is playing on the web, click on it to pause the video. The next thing you want to do is to click on these three dots right here. So you can see the download button right here. Go ahead and click on download. Now you have downloading file right here. So allow everything to download. After a successful download, click on open. Now you have the video right here. So go ahead and play the video from your phone gallery. So play the video.
兄弟，这就这个里头没有任何问题。这个就是我后来拿它当那个，就是当一个轱辘用，就是当一个轱辘用。完事儿，它这个是在这个里头的吗？完事儿，这个。
Just like so, you have the product video successfully saved into your phone gallery from Xianyu Chinese shopping app. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to ship and import products from China using Fish, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Fish or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.